Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go on your laptop. Many players enjoy the convenience of a larger screen and precise controls. To get started, you'll need an Android emulator, which creates a virtual Android device on your computer. Popular choices like BlueStacks and Nox Player are excellent for this purpose, allowing you to run mobile applications seamlessly. This setup offers a new way to experience your favorite game. Once you have selected an emulator, the next step is straightforward installation. Simply download the software from its official website and follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the emulator and sign in using your existing Google account. This grants you access to the Google Play Store, where you can easily search for and install the Pokémon Go application, just as you would on a mobile device. A crucial aspect of playing Pokémon Go on a laptop is managing your location. Since you're not physically moving, you'll need to use the emulator's built-in GPS spoofing feature. This allows you to set a virtual location anywhere in the world. You can virtually walk around, visit Pokéstops, and catch Pokémon from the comfort of your home. Remember to use this feature responsibly to enhance your gameplay. With your emulator and virtual location set up, you are ready to play. You can use your keyboard to control your character's movement, making exploration and interaction with the game world very intuitive. Enjoy catching Pokémon, battling in gyms, and spinning Pokéstops from your computer. Just be mindful of rapidly changing your virtual location, as this could lead to temporary soft bans from the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.